how I have made over 10,000 US dollars or 9,900 euros in the past 7 days with affiliate marketing using TikTok traffic. Okay, mostly I also use Google pay-per-click ads, okay, Google text ads, but in this video, this short video, it's all about TikTok affiliate marketing. As you can see over here, it's faceless channel, and I have made 121 sales. And over here you can see the results. Now let me go straight into TikTok, and you can see over here, okay, I have had 139,000 video views in the past 7 days, 2,000 profile views, 13,000 likes, 1,100 comments, and you can see over here 223 shares. Now why is this important? Because with TikTok, it's all about algorithm, okay? I have faceless channels. So on one of the channels, as you can see, I was running ads. Now my personal strategy is to run ads for the first 7 days, and the next week stop running ads. Zero ads, all free organic traffic. Why? Because the beauty of TikTok, okay, faceless channel, if you have 20 to 30 minutes a day, you can do this, okay? You can basically set up TikTok. We have the done for you strategy, which actually allows you to use the system to actually do the work for you. Meaning, once you have video up and running, you start gaining traction. Why I'm showing you this? Engagement is really important, okay? For example, if you have 1,100 comments, what you can do, copy your ClickBank website, ClickFunnels, for example, pre-sale page, landing page, quiz funnels. I love quiz funnels. I also teach them and show them to my clients. And the reason why is because it's all about emotional strategy, emotional states. You have low emotional states and high emotional states audiences, okay? You have males, you have females audiences. So if you're struggling with ClickBank, if you have tried to make money online and you have failed, it's not your fault. Why? Because most probably you followed the wrong outdated courses or programs. Okay, many gurus on ClickBanks are doing copy and paste methods, giving you some templates, and at the end of the day, be truthful to yourself. Do you really think you can make $500 or $1,000 a day doing the same thing, the same crap, the same BS that everyone else is doing out there? Okay, of course not. It's all about understanding. This is about psychology of market. You have criteria of markets, you need to have the right message to the market match, and that's how, my friend, how you can make money online. Of course, it's still possible to make money in 2026, right now as you watch this video, if you have someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step, along the way, and hand-holding you along the way. As you can see over here, let me show you, okay? 139,000 views. Views are not that important. Important is the right views. You need buyers clicks. The money is in the buyers list. Okay, you need people who are actual buyers, who are in the problem state, and then move them with the right pre-sale copy in the solution state. Because every single person who is buying products from weight loss to law attraction, dating, manifestation, woodworking, golf niche, solar panel, casinos, it's all about having to be in the problem state first and then solution state second of all. Okay, now how you do that? Simply by following the right method that we are teaching and showing you exactly in our system, in our program. But you can go step by step, done with you, together over the Zoom call, set up the campaigns, one-on-one, live, in 30 minutes a day. You can do this. No matter where you live, India, Australia, UK, Canada, the US, doesn't matter. What matters is you have enough desire to actually change your life, or at least have extra income. I don't know, 250, 500 euros or dollars a day, or even a week, $1,000 a week. Whatever your goal is doable. Okay. Once you have someone who can show you step by step how this is properly done. Thanks to affiliate marketing, as you can see on my Instagram, my YouTube, I was able to travel to almost 70 countries. Yes, 70 countries at this moment. And thanks to promoting affiliate products, Nutra weight loss, CPA affiliate marketing, okay, even if you are a beginner, even if you have never tried ClickBank or any other affiliate network, you can do this without having to make any videos, without having to be on camera, okay? So it's doable. It's all about psychology of markets, emotional states, and then putting this into action. That's what matters, because on the other side of this laptop computer, it's human being. It's not AI, ChatGPT, no. It's human being. And once you understand that, and once you have some human, personal, true relationship in 2026, you will finally be able to get up and running and start having consistent, sustainable passive income online. So as you watch this video, I include my WhatsApp number, yes, my personal cell phone number, my email, my Instagram, and my Facebook Messenger, all in the description below. But please, honestly, do not reach out to me one-on-one if you're not serious, if you're not ready to take 20 to 30 minutes a day to invest some money in yourself to get this up and running and actually start producing results in 2026 and beyond. So again, thank you for watching this video, and let me know.